Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys how can we change guys home screen mode in our oppo phone device. Friends, you want to change guys your phone home screen mode setting. So then how can you change it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Friends, click on home and lock screen setting. Home screen mode guys, tap here. Friends, you can change here. So guys, I will change into guys standard mode. I will apply for here and switch. So friends, you can see guys your home screen mode has changed. So friends, now we cannot swipe guys. You can see guys all icon on your screen guys. You can check from here guys. So like that guy, we can change guy home screen mode setting. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to change home screen mode in our oppo phone device. So bye my friends. Friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys home and lock screen setting guys? You can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.